everybody, welcome back to my channel, and yes, it is time to share with you guys what inserts we will be getting this Sunday, August 4th, 2019. So it looks like we'll be getting 3 inserts. Now every single time I look at inserts ahead of time, they're not always right. Like, I don't know what comes out, but I just, rely on these sites. But right now we are on moolasavingmom.com, and it looks like there's going to be 1 smart source and 2 retail me nots. So I'm here to just share with you guys what we are getting so you guys can kind of figure out what you guys want. Now we're getting Airwick, $1.25 and $2 off. We're getting a free Airwick oil warmer. Now those I've seen free a lot. I got a lot of free of them, but they're sometimes hard to find. I know Walgreens has them of where I've seen them in the past. 50 cents off of Ajax dish soap. We got 75 cents off of Ban. $3 off of 2. BC fruit snacks. Bertolli pizza, pasta sauce. We got $1 off of 2. Now we are getting $3 off Bic razor coupons, and then we're getting $1.50 off of 2 Bic stationery products, which is a pretty good deal. Biore cleanser, $2, $1 off Biore cleanser. We're getting Brita, $4 off of 1 and $8 off of 1. Citrusel, Colgate Kids, Colgate toothpaste, 50 cents. So not the greatest coupons, but hopefully you guys were able to print off those $1 off coupons from coupons.com. We got Jet Dry, which I really like. I'm hoping to get some good deals with Jet Dry. Flintstone vitamins, $3, $1 off of 2 High Chew. Hormel Completes, $1 off of 2. Nature Valley bars, we're getting 50 cents off of 2. So make sure you guys can use those coupons that we have now. They're actually $1 off of 2. So if you're interested in buying anything Nature Valley, definitely use the ones we got right now. They do expire soon. Non-drowsy Claritin, 1 a day, $3 off 1 a day. We're getting Sargento Scrubbing Bubbles. We got $1.50 off of 2. And then there's $1 off of the Scrubbing Bubbles Fresh Gel. And 50 cents off the Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Shout Sunny D, $3 off the Tenya coupon. We're getting $1 off of 2 Windex, but there is a 75-cent off of coupons.com if you guys want to use that. You'll play. And then there is that for the Smart Source. Now we're going into the Retail Me Not. There is a $3 off Centrum. We got $1.50 off Excedrin, 4 off of 2 for the Garnier Fructis, and then 4 off of 2 for the Whole Blends. Love those coupons. 2 off of 1 for the hair products, 3 off of 1, 2 off of 1. Okay, sorry you guys, my phone was ringing. So now we got L'Oreal. We're getting a lot of L'Oreal coupons. $3, $1, $2, all those L'Oreal stuff. This stuff repeats itself. Usually we get these like about once a month, so there's that. Here we're getting $2 off mascara for Maybelline and $2 off Fit Me product, which is basically, I know blush is one of them. So there is that. So I don't get any of these. I maybe will get Centrum. That is the only coupon possibly that I will get in my 1 inserts of Retail Me Not. Now here is the second one. So we're getting 2 off of 2 Aussie, $1 off Body Axe, $1 off Axe, $2 off Hair Care. We're getting buy one get one Dove Beauty Bar, Esther Herbal Essence, $2 off of 2, $2 off of 2, Jimmy Jean, Magnum Ice Cream, Nature's Bounty, 5 off of 1. That's a good coupon. Pearls to Go, $1 off of 1. Simple St. Ives Ponds Noxzema, 3 off of 2. Tresemme, we got 2 off of 1, $1.50 off of 1, and 3 off of 2. So those are what is going to be in our inserts this week. Hopefully you guys can figure out what you guys want, but I just wanted to share with you guys the inserts that we will be getting this Sunday. If you guys want to check it out, just go to moolasavingmom.com, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.